What? And I say, I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone! Zach here, how you guys doing? Alright! Spring season is here, and lots of new shows are coming out. I'm going to definitely have some first reactions, but this one, yeah, I'm definitely picking this one up, because it's KonoSuba. Well, it's a spin-off. Starring our favorite pyromaniac, and an explosion in the new world. I'm kind of hyped for this. I mean, it is a good space holder before the inevitable third season, because come on, we love those idiots too much for them not to go into the season. Even the movie was awesome. Alright, so what is this going to be? I have not read the synopsis. It's just going to be her off doing her own thing, or is it going to be a prequel of how she became so explosion crazy? I just know hilarity is going to come, because it's KonoSuba. They have not disappointed yet. Let's see what happens. Alright, here we go. And we already begun. No, this is just inspiration. This is how she first came to love explosions. Okay, this is a very big one. Okay, that was a black hole in that explosion. Holy shit. Yeah, this would leave an impression. Yeah, definitely left an impression. Yeah, she is a great user of explosion magic. Oh yeah, so it is a prequel. See how she meets up with everyone. Other one, the Crimson Line was who we discovered in the movie were actually created. Oh, I should have started a review. Wait, he was healed? Yeah, so she actually freed her from that. Yeah. Okay, wow. I'm not sure I told you already. She wants to be like you. So, you're gonna teach her the explosion spell launcher. Okay! Did not expect that. Yeah, that is a bit more. Why would you want that? No. Definitely a no-go. Class justice and people will hate you with big boobs. Do you have any normal wishes? Yeah, better do that. Yeah, what is the most moderate wish you can... Okay. Wait, you're not just saying that's too small? It took a while, but we got here. Okay, wow. Are you sure you want to give this kid this box of matches? There's no telling when she might burn down. There she go! Ah, fish. Raw fish is great. And there's the rival who is totally friendless. And I kind of feel bad for her, honestly. Your monsters don't want to be your friends. You can't even get devil to, sell a soul to. Okay, yeah. It's gonna bite you. Or in a way. And that's how they became, well, that's how you gotta stalk her. That does look good. Aww. Okay, she's impressed by what you're selling. What are you selling? Wait, what? Are you kicking her out? Oh, okay, don't piss the wife off. Yeah. Okay, so she gets to buy. Alright. Okay, you might lose your customer if you show too much enthusiasm. Dial it down. Yeah, you sold something. But she mentioned the past, so you hopefully haven't actually sold the soul or something. And no one says TUMBLR anymore. I think. Oh, come on, let's put something to you, yeah? I caught on. Really acquired that? Okay, someone's stopping then. Okay. Yeah, they got it. They're ready. And she has an eye patch. So, is she going to steal that? You actually gave her some crawfish. Okay. Yeah, come on. Well, not yet, but soon. Okay. And they look chaotic. Looking forward to that. Okay, time flies. Aren't they all the same thing? They actually all sound the same. Okay, why? Wait, what? Okay, you're impressed by everything she does. Yeah, you. Go on. Strike first. Oh, that'll see us. Really? Okay. Really? So basically, you're just going to be concentrating on the aesthetics. Just look cool doing it. And that's all they're going to be doing. Okay. It's a class of 11, so no one's going to get left out. And it's going to be... Yeah. How worse are me? A well-endowed woman. Okay, you actually do need to work on that. No, she has it down. And the feeling of it's not hurting at all. Actually, she can. She can so fake being sick. And very well, too. I still see the tears in the eyes. And that's all I do. Aw, nice of you. Yeah, I think it was his earlier thunderstorm. Yeah. Wait, why are you running? Literally? Yeah, it's him. Everyone else. Okay, is that over? Yeah, that sounds... No! No! We just messed everything up. And someone else have to clean up after you. Yeah, you say right, but you just really want a friend. Not yet. That's soon. So she actually needs to learn the explosion spell, which is considered a joke. So I'm seeing this more as like just their version of Hogwarts. It's just her going to school, and the only thing being taught is the rule of cool. Make it look good, and you're okay. Yeah, you got it. You can just make it look good. That's it. Not really taking any advanced spells and stuff like that. And then she is really, really all about just explosion. I mean, we know that, but I should not consider maybe that made new other spells. And again, she just saw it up close and personal, and like they said, it burnt into her soul, and now that's all she wants. And until she becomes a glass cannon, because that's all she can do. So yeah, just looking at her very disastrous path to becoming what she is today, which is hilarious. Actually, a lot of comedy is happening, and I'm loving it. Alright, looking forward to more of the show. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, it really helps out. Any comments, I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do and check out my other stuff. See you next time. Bye.